One of our Simon Says Stamp exclusive stamp and coordinating die sets called Banner Greetings has a special acetate template that'll help you align your stamps inside the banners. Today we're going to show you how to use that acetate sheet so that you can perfectly align every greeting that you want to stamp inside each of the different banners perfectly for your projects. Here is our Banner Greetings stamp, die set, and the acetate template sheet. You can see the stamp set includes a variety of beautiful banners and a bunch of different greetings, but you'll notice that all the sentiments are straight. There also are coordinating dies if you'd like to cut them out. The Banner Greetings stamp set does come with a acetate template sheet. This comes whether you purchase the stamp or the stamp and coordinating die set. This template sheet allows you to align the shapes of the different banners inside the alignment area of the acetate sheet. This acetate sheet is a perfect material to use for holding down your stamps as you align them. Let's jump in and we'll show you how to use it. I'm going to start by stamping one of the banners onto a piece of cardstock, and in this particular case I'm using embossing ink. I'm going to stamp the image, cover it up with some white embossing powder, and then I'll use my heat tool to set the embossing powder so I have a beautiful crisp white outline for my banner. Now that we have our banner stamped, we need to bring in the template to align it with the image that's underneath. So I've figured out which image is for this particular banner shape, and I've laid that acetate sheet over top of the banner. Now I'm going to select one of the sentiments that are in the stamp set, and I'm going to use this acetate sheet as a template for maneuvering the sentiment to fit inside the wave of this banner. Because the acetate material is the same type of material that stamps actually sit on, the stamps stick to it. So you're laying the stamp face down onto the acetate sheet. And this is so that way you can take your MISTI tool or a clear block and pick up the greeting so that way it's in the exact same shape that you laid it out in inside the alignment guide. Now that you have your images aligned, you can stamp. I'm going to stamp with embossing ink again, this time embossing with silver embossing powder. But no matter what you stamp with, you'll notice that we now have a gorgeous sentiment curved in the same shape as the banner. This does not hurt your stamps. They will realign inside their packaging straight, just like they were when you first got them. I'll use the coordinating dies to cut out this banner. That way I can pop it up off of a project. These banners are beautiful and could be perfect for coloring. I love adding a little bit of dimension to my banners when I've stamped them onto colored cardstock like this by taking some Copic markers to just color in some of the darker areas. The Banner Greetings stamp, dies, and acetate template are perfect for helping you create beautiful banner greetings that you can make with not only the sentiments that are in the Banner Greetings stamp set, but the best part is that you can use any single line sentiment stamps that you already have in your crafting stash. I hope that today's quick tip has been helpful for you in learning how to use the Banner Greetings stamp and die set along with the acetate template. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for additional inspiration and more quick tip videos. Thanks for watching!